Greetings, my beautiful lovelies. It's Emmy. How are you? It's great to see you and welcome back. This video was sponsored by Primal Kitchen. Primal Kitchen is the makers of flavor-packed pantry staples that don't compromise ingredient quality for flavor. Primal Kitchen's mission is to change the way the world eats with real foods that uplift and empower us. Primal Kitchen allows you to make informed food choices that can lead to a healthier and happier life. Their products contain no gluten, dairy, soy, sugar, or canola oil. And Primal Kitchen's products taste great. I like the fact that they don't sacrifice flavor for quality ingredients. So never settle, make every bite of food exciting. You can find Primal Kitchen at your local grocery store or visit primalkitchen.com. So big thanks to Primal Kitchen for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to make better content for all y'all. Alrighty, today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite salad. This time of year is my favorite time to make it, and it is my take on the salad niçoise. Salad niçoise sounds fancy, but it really isn't. It is just a celebration of spectacular ingredients that are available right now. The end of summer, the coming into fall, is the bounty that I look forward to every single year. Salad niçoise originated from Nice, France, which is the southern portion, the Provençal area of France, and so it has a lot of Mediterranean influence. It's a beautiful salad composed of many bountiful ingredients, and I just love it. It is substantial enough to have as a meal, which I often do in the summer. So let me show you my version of salad niçoise. So to start things off, we need a dressing. In this case, it's going to be a very simple vinaigrette. I like making it in a little mason jar. It's so easy and easy to store. I'm going to add 1 clove of garlic. When I'm feeling really lazy, I don't even peel garlic. I just put it inside my press and just press it through. Pop this out, which is just the skin. I've got a small lemon here. I'm going to squeeze that into the jar. And depending on how juicy this lemon is, it's about a tablespoon. If you don't have lemon, you can use vinegar. And then to emulsify everything, I'm going to be using a little bit of spicy mustard, about a teaspoon. And then some salt, 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. Lots and lots of freshly cracked pepper. Now I'm going to add some avocado oil. Avocado oil is lovely. It has a very light flavor, very high smoking point. It's actually great to saute in. So I'm going to use about that much avocado oil. I would say that's like a 1-to-3 ratio. And for those times when I can't muster any energy or have the time to put together a vinaigrette, I like using something like this. This is Primal Kitchen's oil and vinegar. I'm going to add a little bit of this as well to my dressing. Now I'm going to put the lid on and just give it a good shake. And you see how it immediately emulsifies? There's no need to get a whisk, no need to dirty up any bowls, just get a jar. Another Primal Kitchen dressing I like is the balsamic. It is similar to the oil and vinegar, except it is made with balsamic vinegar, so it's a little bit sweeter. And if I'm in the mood for something creamier, they also have tasty options like ranch, cilantro lime, and classic Caesar. So I've got a great big bowl here of salad greens, and to that I'm going to add all of my beautiful ingredients. Now, salad niçoise sometimes is presented as a composed salad, meaning all the pieces are just placed beautifully onto a platter and then dressed, and then people take little bits of whatever they like. I prefer the tossed version. I feel like the dressing gets in all the nooks and crannies and all the ingredients get to be friendly together. Although when you present it as a composed salad, it's just ever so beautiful. This is just canned oil-packed tuna, and sprinkle that in there. That gives us a bit of protein, tons of flavor. Next, I'm going to add a couple of small boiled potatoes. My mother adds boiled potatoes to her salads. So good. They absorb all the dressing and flavor, and they're sweet and buttery. The texture is wonderful, and I'm just quartering them and adding them to the salad as well. Next, I have some beautiful green beans. I've just blanched these for about 2 minutes and then shocked them into ice water. I'm going to add some of those. These are some tomatoes that came out of my garden. I grew these for the first time. These are called Brad's Atomic. They have kind of the texture of a Roma tomato, but look at that color. Purple, red, orange, green. So beautiful. These are Peacevine cherry tomatoes. I've got some green Dr. cherry tomatoes as well. Next, we're gonna add some olives. The traditional olive is the Niçoise olive, but I'm using a mixture here because I love fat ones and little ones and bitter ones and briny ones. So I'm adding a combination of olives there. Now we're gonna take our vinaigrette, give it a good shake, and pour a good amount of that over everything. I'm gonna add a couple of eggs to this as well. These eggs came from my chickens. Look at that color. So sunny and beautiful. Thank you, chickens. Put a couple of those. My technique for boiling eggs is I bring water up to the boil, I drop the eggs in, set my timer for 7 minutes and 30 seconds, reduce the temperature just a little bit so they're not just like cracking all over each other. Then after 7 minutes and 30 seconds, I turn off the heat and take the eggs out and immediately plunge them into ice water. Allow them to cool and then give them a good peel, and then you'll get eggs that look just like this. Gorgeous. Now I'm gonna give the salad a toss. Make sure the dressing is distributed over everything. And what's beautiful is the tuna kind of breaks up and becomes part of the dressing. So good. A little extra cracked pepper. Alrighty, my lovelies, the time has come to finally eat my salad niçoise. Look at this gorgeous plate of food. That's a big bite. Itadakimasu. So good. The vinaigrette is lovely. It's tangy and lemony and garlicky and bright. The avocado oil gives it this really nice lusciousness. There's a hint of mustard in there. The tuna fish combines with the vinaigrette to create this really lovely dressing. The oil from the tuna fish complements the rich avocado oil. The potatoes absorb everything. So good. If you don't like salads, try this one. Try this one, please. This might be the one that changes your mind. Egg. Tender, soft, rich egg. All of this goes together in such a beautiful way. You've got that briny, slightly bitter olive. I like to get olives with the pits. I don't mind taking the pits out. I feel like they're more flavorful, less watery. Oh, so good. Alrighty, my lovelies, there you have it. That's my take on salad niçoise, my favorite tossed salad, hands down. It's such a celebration of summer's bounty. Thanks so much for joining me, and big thanks to Primal Kitchen for sponsoring this video. Never settle, make every bite of food exciting. You can find Primal Kitchen at your local grocery store or visit them at primalkitchen.com. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Check out my website for this recipe and like this video, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Toodaloo, take care, bye! I think eggs are perfect.